So, ADHD slash ADD. What is it exactly? So, ADHD stands for Attention Deficit Hyperactivity Disorder. It's basically just a condition that helps you, not that really help. At some points it can, but we'll get to that after. It can help or not help with your attention. You can not focus as easy. You can be real hyper or the opposite. ADD, basically same thing, just kind of interchangeable terms. You can either just say ADHD or ADD. Symptoms. Symptoms, there's, dozens and dozens and dozens of symptoms. You can just name off tons, but some of these are kind of just the main symptoms. Unable to sit still, fidgety, struggle to focus, interruptions, like you could have a conversation with someone and just, they'll be talking to you and then you just butt in all of a sudden. I do that sometimes, not on purpose. And acting before thinking. How can it be caused, or what causes it? There's many things, but some of these are the main ones. Brain injury, environmental risks, genetics, and even mother's use of bad substances, drugs, or anything can always increase the risk of mental illness. How can it be treated? Just FYI, it's never cured. Never completely can you just get rid of ADHD. It can be treated though with medicine, education, counseling, coping. You can do like running, working out, distract yourself from it because it's never actually going to go away. There's just some celebrities that have it. Michael Phelps, Olympic swimmer, Howie Mandel, comedian, but he's also a host of game shows. Sure, most people know who he is. Justin Timberlake, singer, and then Johnny Depp's an actor, and then there's more. These are just some extra facts. Average age to be diagnosed, around 7 years old, but it could be younger, it could be way older. Symptoms can start as early as 3 years old. You could be a 3-year-old. Already has it. This one just says, statistics say men are 3 times as likely to develop it. State of Kentucky has highest rate of ADHD. Just a fun fact, I guess. And this one right here at the bottom is actually a myth because people say that people with ADHD can't focus on anything. But a lot of times it's the exact opposite is that because you can actually be like hyper-focused on specific topics. It doesn't have to be like, you're hyper-focused on everything. I procrastinate on personal work, but I can focus on schoolwork, like it's nothing. Some people are the opposite.